camera is not working right now, so we'll just have to do without the camera. It's all good. You don't need to see my face anyways. But but anyways, I don't remember exactly what we were talking about in the last video because I didn't have a chance to go back and look at it. However, I know that I probably wasn't trying to buy this falling knife. I wanted to see like some type of support or anything like that. However, you can see that yesterday's candle closed right on top of this looks like a little support right here, so that's why we're seeing the bounce up today. But also, like I said, Thursdays always seem to be a day with Carvana. If you go look at my last videos and stuff, you can clearly see that Thursdays are key days for Carvana. It just happens to line up that way. I don't know if it's planned, but you can see that today we happen to pop right back above this level that I put right here in the last videos. None of these levels have changed, and you can see that we went underneath this level just slightly. Didn't want to buy a falling knife. However, I did post on Twitter, and I posted on here on YouTube that that I was going to go in with my half of what I would normally dollar cost average for this week, just, you know, because of I knew the earnings and stuff was coming up, and that tonight is the earnings. I believe it's at like 5:30 or something after the market closes, so tomorrow we'll definitely be seeing what's going on with that. But you can already see that this is forming right here, right up on this line basically of this support level. So if we're going to go above this, we're basically going to have to hold this between today and tomorrow, and in the future, like going into next week and stuff too. There's a lot of earnings and stuff coming out and things like that. A lot of things with the markets. Of course, yesterday, Feds decide to hold the rates. They don't decide to increase the interest rates. So that's the second time in a row that they've done that. So we're going to see a lot of market action anyways. However, you notice that Thursdays are definitely our key days. You know, as far as that goes, go check out the other Carvana videos. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. However, right now, pretty much I'm just waiting until tomorrow to see what's going to happen. This might pop up a little bit. Who knows? Because tomorrow's market close for the week. And then after, we'll see exactly what's going on with the earnings. Now, they're expecting the earnings to be a little bit higher than you know, than most stocks, just because of it's comparing to like last year's you know, their last year's earnings and stuff like that. It's going to be a lot better, but overall things are still down. So we have to look at the bigger picture here and just know that these levels are pretty good levels, but we don't want to catch something like coming down. If we're going to catch it, you know, between here and here is not really that big of a deal. Like I said, this point is still like a pretty good R8 point to dollar cost average. Just make sure you're dollar cost averaging. You're not just going all in and stuff, because like I said, there was points up here where people could have went all in, and now we're sitting down here. You're down like 50% of what you put in. So that's why I said just take it easy and stuff. We'll see. This is not a bad range to average in. Like I said, I got in here somewhere. I think it was yesterday or the day before I got in, and actually I ended up getting lucky because I thought I placed a buy somewhere in here. I think it was like last Saturday or something like that. That was supposed to be executed on Monday. So where would that have been? Well, I think it was maybe Friday. I don't know. Maybe it was still in a good position, but I think I was supposed to execute some type of trade somewhere around the 30s or so, and I ended up being able to get it in like down here or something. So now my average is right around this line, about the 30 range, I'm pretty sure. Like I said, so we'll see exactly what's good with that. There's been no news, as you can see on their site. We're just basically waiting for the earnings. We can click this. I want to see what this is, what's going on with Carvana stocks. Trading higher. Company is set to release its third quarter financial results after the market close. Like I said, estimated expected report loss of 80 cents per share, quarterly revenue 2.78 billion. Carvana are moving above average trading volume ahead of the earnings report, which was today later on. And so not really much different from what I told you here. So definitely just some things to take in consideration, and I won't hold you up too long. Hope you guys appreciate this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.